Hello, this is an explanatory video of Excel Project 6B. This is Regina Kachkoff-Enk speaking. For this project, I was working with grouped data and I created a template. After filling out the documentation page with my information, I switched to the quarter one sheet right here, and then I grouped all four quarters that are here in this workbook by clicking on quarter one, pressing Shift, and clicking quarter four. And as you can see, I've got group up here and all of these are clustered together. Then what I did was I had to sum the totals for the range B8 to F8 and the range F5 to F7. Then I I formatted the worksheets according to my taste, and I ungrouped the worksheets. The next thing I did was to make a copy of the quarter one worksheet and rename it Summary Sales right here. In Summary Sales, I deleted the values in the range B5 to E7, but the formula still remained. Then I used the 3D reference to calculate totals for each product group and store. And this is done by first making a cell active. In this case, I did B5 first. And you go ahead and you type in equals sum and open parentheses. Then you go ahead and you group your quarters again, and then you'll have quarter one book active. Then you go ahead and make cell B5 active and you hit the enter key. Then it automatically bounces you back to your summary sales sheet with the value already in place and the formula already in place. Then I went ahead and I did the same through all of this row where necessary, and I then copied that to the rest of the page as necessary. Lastly, I went ahead and I got the workbook ready to print by making a header, a footer, and centering. Then what I did was I saved the workbook, and I then went ahead and I removed all the sales data while sparing the formulas. I also removed my information from the documentation worksheet, and then I saved the workbook as an Excel template. As you can see here, I've got Java template 1 right up here. This is the template I created. So the blank documentation page, summary sales, and so on and so forth. So all of the formulas remain, including the 3D referencing, and none of the values are there. So next I opened up the template. So here we have an open template, and I saved the workbook as Java Cafe 2014, which I have right over here. So I went ahead here and I put a value of 1 in each of my quarters by grouping the quarters and putting the value of 1 in each of these cells. So it automatically totaled everything just like we wanted, and then to check that you can also make sure that it's done appropriately in the summary sales sheet. So as you can see, everything was done just right. So I went ahead and I saved Java Cafe 2014 to my OneDrive, and then let me see, where is that OneDrive? Here it is. And then I went ahead and edited cell B5, the Tucson coffee sales, to reflect a value of 30,000. And then I saved that as SkyDrive, OneDrive, Java Cafe 2014 to my desktop. So here we have that saved copy with a value of 30,000 right here. And as you can see, everything carried over very nicely. So that's pretty much all there is for today. Thank you.